Hi there. This lesson covers some terminology and definitions and concepts about angles. First of all, we start with a point. What is a point? A point is a position in the space or on a plane, and it's shown as a dot. And we name them using capital letters. So this point is called point M. This point is called the point N. Then when you join two points with a straight line, you make an interval. That is called the interval MN. Interval MN or NM. Doesn't matter. Order doesn't matter. Then when two intervals are joined at one end, like here MN and UM have joined at point M, you generate an angle. Now, this angle, this corner where the two intervals have joined is called the vertex. So the point M is the vertex, and MN and MU are called the arms of our angle, and this is the angle. Depending on how wide this is, we give it a number in degrees. So to call this angle, we can call it angle M, like angle M. This is the notation for an angle M. Or we can call it angle NMU, angle NMU. So you start with one of the points on one of the arms, and you go to the vertex, and then you go to the other point. Remember, the vertex or the corner has to be always in the middle. So I can call it angle NMU, or I can call it angle UMN. UMN. In both cases, as you can see, M is in the middle. Only we switch the place of N and U. So three ways of naming one angle. Then when you got two straight lines crossing each other, like this angle, this line BE and this line CD have crossed at point A, you make two pairs of vertically opposite angles. You have one angle here, this angle, and this angle. These are vertically opposite. And also you have another pair, this angle and this angle. They are vertically opposite too. And vertically opposite angles are equal. So if this was, for example, 60 degrees, that would be 60 degrees. If this was 120 degrees, that would have been 120 degrees as well. Then supplementary angles are two angles that add up to 180 degrees. So for example, if you have 40 degrees and 140 degrees, they are called supplementary angles because they add up to 180 degrees. If two angles add up to 90 degrees, we call them complementary angles. For example, 40 degrees and 50 degrees. Together, they are 90 degrees. They are called complementary angles. The other thing is angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. Here I've got this straight line, and I split it into two angles. That's one angle, that's another angle, by drawing this line. So this angle and this angle, because between them they make a straight line, they add up to 180 degrees, or we can say they are supplementary. Then if you have two angles that making up 90 degrees, then they are again supplementary. And if they give you a shape like that, whatever this angle is, plus whatever this angle is, they add up to 90 degrees because we have a total of 90 degrees here. For example, if it was 30, that would have been 60. Altogether, it must be 90. An acute angle is less than 90 degrees, like this one. A right angle is 90 degrees itself, and an obtuse angle is larger than 90 degrees like this, but less than 180 degrees. We already said that a straight line is 180 degrees. A revolution is equal to 360 degrees. So if I have this line and I keep turning it around itself like this and comes back and forth on itself, then it is 360 degrees. One full revolution. Let's look at an example. Find the missing angle below. So here they are asking us to find each missing angle. The first one is angle X. Angle X here. Angle X. As you can see, between them they are making up to 90 degrees. So then X will be 90 degrees minus 30. So that gives me X equal to 60 degrees. For this one, they are vertically opposite. Alright, vertically opposite angles are equal. So Y is 70 degrees. And if I want to write the reason, I can say that they are vertically opposite. Vertically opposite. This is the sign for degree, a little circle which is empty. Vertically opposite angles are equal. If they ask me for the reason. This one, I want to find X. Again, as you can see, they're making a straight line. So then X will be 180. A straight line is 180. Take away 50. That gives me 130. And again, if they ask them why, I can say that angles on a straight line add up to 180. This angle plus this angle together make one straight. Here I have, they have given me this 55 and they want me this outside. This type of angle is called a reflex angle. So that's the reflex angle. What is a reflex angle? Reflex angle is between 180 degrees, so it's greater than 180 degrees, and less than 360. That's a reflex angle. Here they want me to find this. Let's call it N. How much is this angle N? So because we're talking about the revolution, if it kept turning all the way to here, that would have been 360. So this line can start turning this way, all the way here, and back on itself. That would be 360. But this angle is only 55 degrees short of that. So then N is 360, take away 55, that gives us 305 degrees. Again, what's the reason? Angles in a revolution. Revolution add up to 360 degrees. Okay, so the whole thing is 360, take away 55, gives me the angle. That is it. That's all for this lesson. Thank you for your attention and see you in the